All right, guys, you're looking at a bottom 6 teeth custom fitted grill. We just had done for a customer. This one here is 10K gold with the diamond dust finish there. In the middle, you can see that each tooth has a yellow border around it with the silver diamond dust in the middle. It's a nice look, two-tone. Here's the back side. You got your 10K stamps right there. This is solid gold, guys. 10K gold. It's not a plated grill. It is actually made out of gold. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quality handmade work, designed to fit perfectly, guys, like a glove. It does snap on right on your teeth. There's no silicone involved with these like on a pre-made grill. These just lock right on your teeth. Check it out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.